Hi, this is a short video how to use the roadbook for Alpine Apex 2025 as best as possible. First, after you've downloaded the roadbook to your smartphone, you have to look for it in the Explorer. Most of the times it will be in the downloads folder as it is here. So then you click on the file name and the roadbook will open. Well, let me take you to the first page of the roadbook first. This is the roadbook for Alpine Apex and this video is about using the links in the roadbook. For instance, this is the Dutch version of the roadbook, but this is the page with useful addresses. And in the right column of the table, you see red pointers, and the red pointers are clickable. So when you click on a red pointer, you will be asked to open the web page, to allow it at least to open the web page. And the web page opens. So if you want to find the location of the first hotel, in this case it's Château de Comte de Châles. This is the hotel where we will meet and where the start of the tour will be on Friday the 20th of June. Then click on the red pointer as I did just now. All the red pointers, also the other hotels, also the useful locations around the hotels. In this case, it's all car washes. They are all clickable. When you click on the red pointer, you can use Google Maps to lead the way to the location you've selected. So, same goes for some of the links in the texts. As you can see here, all the underlined text are links to a website. This is a website for traffic rules and regulations. It's also in the English version of the roadbook, of course. The environmental zone in Grenoble, you can click on the link and use that and go to the website that's linked to that text. So, what this instruction actually is about is how you can make use of the maps of the routes. For instance, this is the route of Saturday 21st of June. Also the map is clickable, so if you click on the map, it will ask if you want to open the web page. Yes, I do want to do that. And you will be led to Google My Maps, which is a bit different from Google Maps. Google My Maps is part of Google where you can build your own maps with routes, but also with locations you want to add to the map. And for instance, if you look on this map, you can see a coffee stop suggestion indicated with the icon of a cup of coffee, of course. So you click on that link, on that icon, and below on your phone that the location will appear. In this case, Le Sapé Restaurant et Pub. You can click there, and in the red part of the screen, there is an icon to click to go to Google Maps. So from Google My Maps to Google Maps to navigate to the location you've selected. So you click on the arrow and it will give you the location and the route to that location you've selected. Just click on start and you will be led there by Google Maps. It's as easy as that. So the same goes, I open Google My Maps again. The same goes for a lunch location, for instance, which are indicated with the knife and spoon. You click. In this case, the suggested lunch location is L'Atelier 10. And again, you can click on the arrow that points to the right to start Google Maps. And Google Maps will allow you to navigate to that location by clicking the Start button. Well, that's all. It's as simple as that, and I really do hope that you will make use of it to find locations we've selected, like petrol stations, but also if you looked the mountain passes we've selected, like here, Col de la Chaux. They're indicated with a mountain, of course. So also, if you want to know how to get there in the fastest way, just click on that icon and Google Maps will help you get there. So Google My Maps is not a navigation system, it's just a map with information and not navigation. Navigation you do with Google Maps or with TomTom, as we've suggested for the routes. I hope this has helped making use of the roadbook the best way you can. If you have any questions, you know where to find me.